on the way to Houston Raceway Park right now. I'm just a couple miles away at the Buc-ee's, and got the Nova loaded up, and gonna see what we can do with it today. Maybe make a new personal best. I probably won't run it a whole bunch because the motor's getting a little tired, but I did do an oil change on it, and we changed the oil, got some new tires and wheels for the front, and pretty excited about that. And I'm gonna try a couple different things, and we haven't tried in the past. A little bit of advice from my friends and stuff, so we'll see what happens. Overall, just looking to have a good fun time at Cletus and Cars. So let me go ahead and get there and get in the gate and get set up from there. And it's about 11:30. Gates opened at 11. And there's a long line to get in here, so I'm just gonna get comfortable. I decided to bring the Nova, and one of the reasons I decided to bring the Nova is because I've made some adjustments to it. We did the timing on it, bought a good timing light and did the timing, readjusted the valves, and just gonna see if we can't get it to not bog so much out the hole. So that's the plan today. Again, it's, you know, long lines here, but it's gonna be a good day. Really looking forward to it. So all right, unloaded, pretty much ready to go. Pulled the air cleaner off, and now I'm just gonna go tech. So let me tech and then get in line. Well, I'm on my own today, so you probably won't see any out car video of it, but I'm in line, kind of going cold here. I'm just gonna make a pass, see where we're at, and see if I need to make adjustments from there. So let me get ready. It's almost time. So that wasn't bad for the first pass. They got my number wrong. I'll see if I can show y'all on here. It's supposed to be 2088, but whatever. And went 1305, but at 108 miles an hour, and pretty terrible 60 foot. I knew I spun the tires, which I had like 21 pounds of pressure in the tires because I wanted to see what it would do if I just kind of spun them instead of just dead hooked. I'll have to go back and look at the video and see if it bogged. I think it did, but there's just a lot going on at that period of time. So we'll let it cool off for a little bit, and probably drop some tire pressure in a little while and go make another pass. So. Well, snuck back in the line one more time before they shut it down. Hopefully make one more pass, and we can get this done. Sometimes they shut it down for the burnout contest, and I think we got an hour before that, so I'm gonna try to make another pass. Lowered the tire pressure is all I did, hoping to get a little bit better 60 foot, get back down into the 12s, and then I'll probably wait till it cools down tonight and see if I can make some all-time best pass for the Nova. So it's a good time out here. it's definitely warm out here today. It may have a little bit to do with the way the car's running. That was a little bit better. I think that was a 1303. Let me double check here. Yeah, I went 1303 at 108 miles an hour. So the mile an hour is there. I'm just having troubles getting it out of the line. So we'll go from there. Sorry guys, I got interrupted there. The Nova gets a lot of attention, which is cool. It's really fun to talk to people that like the car. So anyway, I'm gonna wait till it cools down a little bit later. I think they're gonna start up the like burnouts and stuff here soon. So shutting down the drag racing, and we'll see what I can get done later on tonight. Well guys, I only got to make 2 passes today of my own fault, because I didn't look at the schedule and realize they're not running later tonight. So the 2 passes you've seen, only 2 passes I made. The good thing is I gained 2 miles an hour, so that's good. But here's some more footage of Cletus and Cars before I send you guys off.
You guys have been waiting all day for this. Let's make some noise. I want to think that you guys are excited. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go on the gas. Don't let us down. Open this thing up.
All right, so from my understanding, they're not going to run the cars anymore tonight. They're just going to be doing the burnout contests, which is cool, but I wanted to stay a little later to make some passes when the air was good. So it looks like that's probably not going to happen. So I'm going to have to leave with only 2 passes made. A little bit of data. I did go 2 mile an hour faster than I ever have, but I didn't break any records as far as ET wise. But the Nova looks great. It's got the new Race Star wheels on the front. Can't wait to get some for the back. And it's been a good time. I wish I just could have got a couple more passes in, but anyway, I hope you guys got to see just kind of what goes on over here, and you know, me struggling with the Nova again, right? So thanks for coming along as always. Y'all know the deal. Until next time, y'all be good.